know you guys are already studying really hard for CUET, but do you know how to attempt your exam, how to manage your time, and what mistakes you should avoid? I'm going to share my personal experience so that you don't repeat the mistakes I made. Hi guys, I'm Radhika, currently pursuing my graduation from Miranda House University of Delhi. So first let me tell you what actually happens in the exam center because a lot of students don't know this. तो पहले तो मैं तुम्हें ये एडवाइस करूंगी कि एग्जाम सेंटर में 1-1.5 घंटा पहले पहुंच जाना वो चलेगा, बट लेट होने की बिल्कुल भी गुंजाइश मत रखना. And then once you enter the exam center and complete all the formalities, they'll give you a rough sheet for solving questions. And remember, you are not allowed to take anything inside except your pen, admit card, Aadhaar card and photographs. So don't expect that you can take extra paper or anything inside. For my 4 subjects, I had 3 exams on the same day: history, geography and economics, and my English exam was scheduled earlier. So if you have 2 or 3 subjects on the same day, please do not panic. You will get 1 hour for each subject, and as soon as that 1 hour ends, the system will automatically switch to the next subject. You do not get extra time, so you have to be mentally prepared for that. In my case, I had economics first, then history and then geography, and everything just keeps switching automatically. Now coming to the most important part, time management. The biggest mistake students make is getting stuck on one question. Please do not do that. If a question takes more than few seconds to understand or recall, just skip it and move ahead. This one habit can literally save your paper, because if you waste too much of your time on one question, then you might miss the easy one that you actually know. Always start with a question you are confident about and try to secure those marks first. Once you are done, then come back to the difficult one and solve them calmly. Also, don't feel like you have to attempt 100% of your paper. Accuracy matters more than attempts, because negative marking can really affect your score. You can use the elimination method. 4 में से 2 ऑप्शन को eliminate कर दिया और बचे 2 में से एक smart guess लगा लिया. Only then attempt the question. If you do not have any clue about the question, then it's better for you to skip it. English के लिए I would suggest that you attempt the reading comprehension at the end, because it can consume a lot of your time if you start with it. For subjects like economics, especially numericals, don't keep solving the same question again and again if you're not getting the answer. Just move on and come back to it later after finishing the rest of the paper. That way you won't waste the unnecessary time. As your exam will be starting from tomorrow, please do not try anything new at this point. Whatever you have already studied, just revise it properly again and again. Because if you start something new now, there's a high chance you'll end up confusing yourself and even forgetting what you already knew. So just focus on the revision. At this point, don't overdo the mocks. Practice them just to improve your speed and accuracy. If you give too many of them and make mistakes, it might just demotivate you, especially during the gap days. Focus more on the revision, and 1 or 2 light mock is enough. And the most important thing, your mindset. Do not panic. Just keep reminding yourself कि जो होगा अच्छा ही होगा. Go with a calm and fresh mind. Negative thought अपने दिमाग में बिल्कुल भी आने मत दो. Trust yourself and the preparation you have already done. And I know you will going to ace it. After the exam, I'm going to guide you through everything, college selection, preference sheet and the whole process. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can also get into your dream college like I did. During my time, I did not have anyone to guide me, but I'll make sure you don't feel the same. Feel free to ask anything in the comments. I'll help you as much as I can. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and share this video to your friends ताकि उनकी भी थोड़ी help हो जाए. And I know यार तुम कर लोगे. Do not worry at all. All the very best. Bye bye.